Alright, take two. I bled the fuel filter. And the problem here was that I had a considerable air gap in the top of this, so you can shut this off so you can change it. There's a valve right there. Pull the cap, fill it up with fuel, close it back up, turn this back on. That prevents it bleeding back to the tank because it's a little bit high. Now we'll see what happens. Alright, clutch in, key on, glow plugs on. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Good. Shut off. I'm trying this setup where I just have an open vacuum line right here. It's just keyed in. Let's see how effective that is. First key off. Of course, engine's still running. And then I just cover this up. Wow. How does he have to restart? Let's try that again. Oh, that's convenient.